and today I'm going to unwrap these books. So first let me tell you guys, there was no sale on Amazon, but it's my birthday month. So I ordered these books as my birthday gift. Though my birthday is on 16th July, but I already ordered these books as my birthday. So first I'll open this wrap. So maybe that was very smooth. So the first book is Instruction for Dancing by Nicola Yoon. So Nicola Yoon is also the author of Sun is also a Star and Everything Everything. These famous books. So I was like, why not to grab this book? This is her new release. It has just released in June. So I was like, I should go and grab this book now. So the next book is House of Hollow. So the main thing because of which I ordered this book is this cover. Look at this cover. It's so creepy and beautiful at the same time. And looking at this cover, you'll have that curiosity while looking at this cover. It's so intriguing. So yeah, I'm excited. So now I'll open this cover. This is one last stop. Like on BookTube and Bookstagram, everyone was just talking about this book. So it's a new release. So I was like, why not to order this book? And I ordered this book. Mostly I ordered all new releases. Not all, but mostly. And the next one is Tokyo Ever After. I know we should not judge a book by its cover. But oh man, look at this cover. It's so beautiful. You cannot just take your eyes off from these covers. Now, this is the last wrap which is left. Actually, I ordered more books. I make another video for those books. I do unwrapping another video. So, yeah, bubble wrap. The Seven Husbands of Evelyn Hugo. On BookTube and Bookstagram, everyone is just raving about this book. Like this author has written this book, and one more book is there, Daisy and Other Six, which I wanted to order but I did not because it was not available. So I did not order that book. But yeah, that's fine, it was not available. So yeah, this is it. If you like my videos, do subscribe to my channel and do like my videos. Thank you.